¿Qué pasa, amigos? Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be making magnetic signs for cars, and it comes in a huge roll. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it right now. And this is the design we're gonna be working on today. Okay, we're gonna take the measurements. They have to be 24 by 18. Oh, by the way, all the links to all the tools that we're gonna be using are gonna be in the description. If you get something through those links, you're gonna be supporting our channel. We appreciate it. I know some of you guys been buying through those links. Thank you very much. Make sure it's really flat. And we know where we're gonna cut it, just like that.
Just don't drink too much coffee. I can tell he had too much.
Yes. And now we're gonna use the vinyl. It's Oracle 651. And the machine that we have is the Graphtec CE 6000. I'm sure a lot of you already know that. All right, guys, now that we have the vinyl ready, we have the CM3 software. It's the one that comes with the Graphtec. And the settings for the vinyl is going to be cut force 13, speed around 33, offset 0. Okay, now it's time to weed out the extra material, and we're gonna take our time. We're gonna be really careful. We don't want to mess it up. What we did, we put little boxes just to do individually. Like, do you see like the bottom part? Right now it's coming off. We didn't want to do like the whole design. Okay, we're gonna put the tape on top of the vinyl to transfer it, and the tape is the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75. Okay, we put all the tape on the vinyls. Now we're gonna transfer it to the magnets. We know the measurements, they have to be 2 on the side. And by the way, I have registration marks to add the second color, and you'll see the process in a few minutes. Now I'm gonna put a tape to hold the decal. Dry application, we're gonna do it this time. Squeegees and all that stuff, you can get it through the links. We'd really appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna remove the tape. And again, the tape that we use, which is our favorite, the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75, this one's a little bit stronger. When you're pulling it, make sure you do not pull it too hard. Sometimes the vinyl will come off. And the second layer is gonna be way bigger than this one. Now, I'm gonna align one first. Perfect. We can do either one decal, or we can just split it in two. We could just cut it in the middle, and we're just gonna do a whole design. Try to do evenly. Alright guys, this is it for this video, and I know this is not a financial education channel, but what I recommend, if you're planning on starting your own decal business, save 10% of what you make and put it away where you cannot touch it. And in the meantime, you can start doing research. You can get information about vinyl cutters and vinyl and stuff like that. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more stuff. And I'm gonna leave the links to a book that really helps me a lot. It's called The Richest Man in Babylon. If you guys want to get more financial education, just get it through the link, and we're gonna make a little bit of money, so supporting our channel. Thank you very much. See you guys until the next video. Happy New Year.
Bye guys, Happy New Year.